Imagine turning on your computer and everything is already exactly where you need it. No clicking, no dragging, just pure flow. This is my minimal yet insanely productive BSPWM setup. And today, I'll show you how it works. Before we jump in, let's quickly talk about tiling window managers. There are a lot of them out there. i3, BSPWM, DWM, Hyperland, Sway, and more. Hyperland and Sway are built for Wayland, while i3, BSPWM, and DWM run on X11. I've personally tried i3, BSPWM, and Hyperland. They're all great in their own way, but BSPWM just hits different. It's simple, clean, and gives you full control without overcomplicating things. So today, let's dive into my BSPWM setup and how I actually use it daily. Let's get right into it. First things first, when my system boots up, everything is already set. I have a script that automatically launches applications and places them into their respective workspaces. And once it's done, I even get a clean little notification. Here's how it's structured. Browser on Workspace 1 and Workspace 2. Terminal on Workspace 3 with tmux. I'll get into that in a second. File Manager on Workspace 5. Super Productivity opens as a floating window, and I can toggle at any time. Using Control-Alt-M, it just pops in and out whenever I need it. The rest of my workspaces, completely free. I like to keep things flexible instead of locking everything down. For my browser, I use Brave. It's clean, minimal, blocks ads by default, and just feels fast. I've tried a lot of browsers, but this one fits my workflow perfectly. I split usage like this. Workspace 1, work, professional stuff. Workspace 2, personal use. Nothing fancy, just a simple mental separation. That keeps me focused. Now comes my favorite part, the terminal. Workspace 3 is basically my control center. Inside tmux, I have multiple tabs, one for general commands, one running Neovim. I use it for notes and coding stuff. Then I have a separate session dedicated to my file manager. I use Yazzy. It's fast, has Vim bindings, and is highly customizable. And the best part, I can spin up as many tabs or sessions as I want. Whenever I need a separate workspace, it's just there. I also use a Scratchpad. Press Ctrl-Alt-O, and boom, my music player shows up. I use NCMP here. Even though I mostly use Spotify, I still keep local music. And this setup makes it super accessible. Since it's just a terminal, I can technically use it for anything. But music is my main use. Next, Rofi. This is my application launcher. Triggered with control space. Minimal, fast, and does exactly what I need. But I've taken it further. With custom scripts. Network Manager. Bluetooth control using BZ menu. Audio Device Manager. Clipboard Manager. Using ClipCat. Everything is centralized, keyboard-driven, and insanely fast. Then I have something I built myself. PWMX. I open it with Ctrl-Shift-P. It lets me switch TLP profiles. Toggle conservation mode. Especially useful for Lenovo laptops. I use a Legion, view CPU stats, and more. I built this for my own workflow, but it's open source. I'll leave the link in the comments if you want to try it out. Now you might have noticed that smooth sliding animation when switching workspaces. That's powered by BSPWM Slide FX, another small project that I made. It adds just the right amount of polish without compromising performance. For task management, I use Super Productivity. It's fully open source, and honestly, one of the best productivity tools out there. Fun fact, I actually contributed the Cat Puxin theme for it. But I'm planning to switch to Task Warriors soon. I'm still setting up the server. I'll probably make a full video on that. For notes, everything goes into Neovim, Markdown-based, simple, and future-proof. And when I need a clean view, I use Markdown Preview. It just looks beautiful. And finally, my power menu and lock screen. Clean, minimal, Smooth. Exactly how I like it. And yeah, that's my BSPWM setup. Minimal, but extremely powerful. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you want to try this setup, all my Dotfiles are on my GitHub. I've also added an install script, so you can replicate everything easily on Arch or any Arch-based distro. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.